Choosing the right course platform for your business is one of the most important decisions you'll make. Get it wrong and it can cost you time, money, and customers. But get it right and you'll streamline your business, reach more people, and increase your revenue. In this quick 3-minute guide, I'm going to break down exactly how to choose the best course platform for your business so you can start delivering your content to your audience without the headaches. Now, when you're searching for a course platform, you've got to look at a few key factors. First up, ease of use. You want a platform that's simple to navigate, not just for you, but for your students too. If you're constantly battling with complicated tech, you'll waste precious time that could be better spent creating valuable content. Next, think about customization. Can you make the platform feel like your own? From your branding to your course layout, a good platform should give you flexibility in how it looks and operates, making it easier to deliver a personalized experience to your audience. And this is crucial. Does it integrate well with other tools you're already using? From email marketing to payment gateways, seamless integrations can save you time and frustration. The more your platform can talk to your other tools, the more efficient you'll be. But let's talk about another biggie, pricing. Some platforms are packed with advanced features, but they come at a premium. Others are cheaper but might limit your options. So decide what features you absolutely need and make sure the platform fits your budget. Think about what you're getting for what you pay and whether it's sustainable long term. One of the biggest mistakes I see people make is ignoring the support the platform offers. What happens if you run into an issue? Do they have fast, reliable customer service to help? A good course platform should offer solid support so you can focus on your content, not troubleshooting. Another important thing to consider is scalability. As your business grows, so should your course platform. Will the platform handle a growing number of students, or will you be stuck upgrading halfway through your journey? Choose a platform that scales as your business does. The platform we'll be using throughout this video is one that checks all these boxes. It's easy to use, flexible, and integrates seamlessly with other tools. Plus, it offers a ton of customization options. I've tested out several popular course platforms, and this one stands out for its balance of features and ease of use. If you want to follow along and test out this platform for yourself, I've got an exclusive free trial available for viewers of my channel. You can find the link in the description below, and trust me, you're not going to want to miss it. Now, the key takeaway here is that the right course platform should be easy to use, customizable, integrate with your other tools, and scale as your business grows. Don't get caught up in flashy features you don't need. Focus on what's going to make your life easier and help your business grow. And remember, take advantage of that exclusive free trial in the description if you want to see firsthand how this software works. To quickly recap: 1. Prioritize ease of use. 2. Look for customization and flexibility. 3. Consider integrations. 4. Keep an eye on your budget. And 5. Ensure great customer support. Don't forget to grab your free trial to test out the software we've been using today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.